Hi, Dr. Rachel Sharma here from Cosmetier. I help my patients feel confident, look amazing and natural and have radiant healthy skin for life. And in today's video, I want to talk about lips. And if you're wanting more youthful lips, but you feel like your lips have become thinner with age or they just naturally have always been thin, then what sort of treatment are you after? So, first thing to mention is that lips are they are generally in proportion to other parts of your face. So that's the first thing we need to assess. Now, if you've got really thin lips, my aim would never be to make you have really thick lips straight away, because it wouldn't be natural for you. Whereas if your lips are a little bit thicker, but just not quite as full and as volume-like as they were before, then we could maybe bring it up a notch and make them a little bit more full. The way that I would normally treat your lips is using a product called RHA2. And what I would do is use a tiny little needle, a 4mm meso needle, and just place a little bit of material into your the border of your lip, and that just gives a tiny definition. Now, I don't put an awful lot in that little tube because I don't want too much of the white of your lip to be seen. Most of the material would be placed in this sort of area of your lip, because this is the most kind of volume part of your lip. So if we could draw a line from your eye, between your eyebrows and nostrils all the way down, then really it's in those two kind of bits there that we want a decent amount of volume, because that's where the kind of the body of your lip is, both on the top and on the bottom. And finally, what I would do once I've done the borders and I've done the kind of the main muscle of your lip to give you that volume and projection, then depending on whether you have a little bit of downturned corners that can be treated, I would maybe put a little bit of filler just in that area just to help finish off that look. But it's very important to understand that actually when we're treating lips, we have to be really careful, because we want to keep them looking as natural as possible, as youthful as we can, but for you. So it's very, very specific. And I'm very mindful that actually certain lips will not look good on certain facial profiles. So the first step is to book your video consultation so that really I can assess what your facial profile is like, what are your features like, because we want to keep everything balanced and natural and subtle. Subtle enough that you can see a difference, that your lipstick goes on nicer, that your lips look a little bit more full, but they're still natural to your facial profile. If this is something that you want to explore, then get in touch and book your video consultation by clicking on the link below. Take care.